Hello, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for image optimization. What is the image optimization? So any particular website, if I'm go to selecting my website is there, Rakesh Tech Solutions. So I'm into digital service and digital marketing training. I am searching for digital marketing training in Hyderabad. There is a number of options are there. Go to images. If you go to images, will be here. This is my image. When I click this image, they redirect to where? Into my website. They redirect to go to the my website. This is called image optimization. This is called image optimization. Same like that, we have to promoting one of the website name is called empowerittrainings.com. So here I'm selecting one of the course will be here. The course name SAP Factor, SAP Success Factor Employee Central Online Training. So I'm searching for Google Online Training Hyderabad. Okay, this will be here. If I'm searching images, here my email will be show you will be here. The option name is called Twitter. Yes or no? Same like that, I have to show my website also. I have to show website also. Control F, empower. Only one Twitter is there. Second one, Twitter. Here also Twitter. So most of the things will be Twitter. Now clear? So Twitter also one kind of things. And one more important option is called, we can click here, they go to where? See this in a particular things will be here. So some other posting will be into particular option. So this is the particular things. But what is my question is called, if you have to show anybody, search my web link, you show my images will be properly important. So this is called purpose. First we can log in for pinterest.com. Make a note, the website name is called pinterest.com. But is the India in.pinterest.com. So there's some options are here. Keep business. Click this for account. Account will be name like this. First listen carefully. in.pinterest.com/empowerit trainings. What are the domain name? Same name you can writing will be here. Sir, where you can writing this name? First question asking for, sir, where I can writing the username? First of all, any profile you sign up, first of all, you have finishing for setting option. Any profile, once you finish, we can finishing by the setting option. Go to setting option. See my name here. After that, website. What is that? Username. Username should be your domain name. So suppose I'm accepting my domain name is not available. What we can do? Writing for your domain name official. After writing for your domain name, suppose Empowerit is not available. Empowerit training is not available. Empowerit training official. Reason? This is your official page for Empowerit trainings. After this one, scroll down. You add your particular code, phone number, address. You can write anything. Hyderabad, postal code 581. Country will be India. Save it. Logo also will be done. So my task will be finished properly. Just I'm writing for he and him. One person name I'm adding. So everything will be done. Next, personal information. If you add any information will be add this. Account management. Anything. So tune home base. Claim accounts. Here. What is the claim? This is the website claim. So website claim nothing but this will be website verification. Website verification. Website verification nothing but what are the file you have, Just click for download. The Pinterest file will be down. So it is account verify or not. How to know this one? Suppose we are done by Pinterest account. The account will be verify or not. How to know this? This will be not verified. Why? Because in a claim account, our website will be not requested by the client. So when it is claimed, this file upload on our website database, where into the hosting option. Now I'm just in login my cPanel. Just I'm login for file manager. Once this code is updated, the option name is called publish code underscore HTML. Here, upload file. File is a single file, that is the file option will be here. So today, Pinterest file is done and continue. Here is the website link. Verify. There's a fraction of second verification is done. It is not verified properly. Pinterest, if you use number of time, nothing will be worked out. This is the main important for Pinterest. Done. Your account will be claimed. If unclaim also available. Sir, how many website link you can claim for one business? Number of. Can another claim also will be there. Same procedure. Same will be code. Here, download the file, upload by the cPanel. This is a simple step process. Now, is a verified. Just log out. I can using for close. It will be done. Next, social media permissions. What are the social media accounts? You can permission will be here. What are the your anyone Pinterest? Only people who follow it. Turn on. Anyone on Pinterest mention will be name. And in bulk you create the pins, notifications, security and logins. Everything will be here. Right now, what are the main important? Public profile, personal information, and claim account. These three will be important for each and every one. Here is the option. Suppose you want to deactivate and delete account, that option name is called account management. So existing in Pinterest, I have to deactivate, delete account. Deactivate is nothing but temporary. Delete is called permanent. After this one, click here. Now your Pinterest will be open. Okay. When it is start this option, each one we can promoting through keywords. But each keyword don't exceed by the 50 characters. How many characters? Don't exceed by the 50 characters. If it's come to here, this option will be called question mark. Here is the number of things are here. Here will be saved. What are the save will done? Everything. Here what option name is called? Plus. Pin. Idea pin. Board. Now click for board. First of all, create a board will be here. What the board will be? SAP, SF, Employee Central, online training. So what is showing? It will be more than 50 characters. What we can call, go to notepad, see this. This will be total 53 characters. How many? 53. What will do? You can simple. Exactly 50. Sir, is a success factor is there. Why people will call SF? SF also short name. Success factor also will be short. But what is your main assumption? SAP and Employee Central. SAP and and online training is your focus keyword. Create the board. So board was created. So how we can promote this board? How to promote this board? Two things. First of all, go to here. Any Pinterest. Okay. Any Pinterest. We have to install one toolbar. Pinterest toolbar. Search on Google. They can show Pinterest save button. This is called browser extension. This is called browser extension. Already removed from Google Chrome. Reason? I'm already Pinterest is available my browser. What is the next step? Simple, come to here. Click this button. They show number of images. You can see here. Yes or no? Select all images. Not only one. Select all images. Next. What is my board created? SAP, SF, Employee Central Online Training in Hyderabad. Sir, board created by the Pinterest option. Can I create another board? It is possible or not? Simple. If you go to this SAP SF, remove online training, online remove it, open it, Control A, come to here. What is that? Pinterest. Select all images. Next, what is that? Create a board and create. So, what is the benefit? Anybody search the keyword in Google, our image will be show will be like this. Sir, in my website, I don't have a logo images. In my website, I have only one image there. But one keyword, I can promoting number of images. One keyword, I can promoting number of images. Keyword same, link same. Only what is the change will be? Image will be same. Change. Go to come to here. This board. Clear to watch. Each board is called your keyword. Where you can display that keyword? Google. Here, click for plus. This will be your invitation. This is everything will be here. What the option name is? Plus symbol. Pin. What is that? Upload image or video. Upload your own image and own videos. Upload it. Sir, video also we can promote. As usual, promote your videos. Sir, can I promote YouTube links also in Pinterest? Yes. You can promoting one video, number of keywords. That is all will be boards. In this, where is the our keyword? Select it. We can go with what is it? SAP Success Factor Employee Central Online Training. Is correct or not? Simple. Copy this image. What is the title? Same title. Pin order selected. Description. Sorry. This link will be your website link. Publish immediately. Publish. Add is a later date. So publish immediately. Where you can publish, click it. This image not our website. This image selected from your desktop. This image selected from your desktop. Done. Here. So what is the use? If anybody click this image, simple. Look into this. They go to where? Your particular website. This image visible by the into Google search list. Where? Google image search list. So we can do any indexing for SEO for this link? Nothing. They're all do by the Pinterest. You're only intimate by the keyword name properly. So, sir, same image, can I change a keyword? As usual. Reason, SAP Success Factor Employee Center Online Training is our keyword. Okay. In this keyword, I'm adding will be USA. What is the keyword? USA. Simple, go to here, go back, selecting pin it, select pin, image same. What I'm changing? Keyword. Link same or not? Link will be same. And click for publish. This will be SAP SF Employee Central Training in USA. And one more option is there. Go back. Save. Plus, what is that? Board. create another board. The board name is called SAP USA. Done. Number of images are there. Plus this will be URL. We can go to plus pin same image. Destination URL. Done. Is it clear? Create number of board. Upload image. Title. Link. Link is same. Keyword changing. Image changing. So one link we can promoting for same image, different keyword, different image, different keywords. Is it clear? So what is the board nothing but keywords in one keyword here. Simple logic. Everyone using for computer. C, D, E, F drives are there. I'm say for C drive is the Windows. What is the OS operating system? You mentioned for D is the music. What is the music? Nothing but the folder indicated by only for music folder. Same like that. We are creating for board. Board nothing but it is board belongs to for SAP online training for US. SAP online training for US. So automatically the board will belongs to for where the image all will be SAP online training for US option. So careful to plan to work on to the particular keyword option. So each board how many images you upload? You can upload 100, 200 images. Simple logic. Pinterest is called one kind of search engine. Pinterest is one kind of search engine. How to use? Pinterest.com. Look into the screen. Search digital marketing training company in Hyderabad. Look into this. This many images will be shown to the Pinterest. What is the use? Click image. Click it. They go to where? YouTube channel. Is it clear? We can promoting for YouTube links, website link, n number of keyword. There is only one solution is called Pinterest option. So compulsory your YouTube video also indexing through Pinterest is a compulsory important key point. In this, my website also going to top position. What is that? We can do for here. So now I'll show my website here. Anybody open for Pragati Nagar? You can see this one. N number of images are there. How to know my image will be only for logo is the main authority. Only logo is the main authority. So in this, my website will be top position purpose. You have to resubmit for my URL for Pinterest search engine version. And one more thing is called Pinterest will be using for fashions and we can collection for children weights. This is all kind of marketing. How? When you click here, see this. It's not only India, not only UK, not only for Australia. A number of countries using for Pinterest. So you will be give the proper position purpose. You always marketing on Pinterest account. This will be very, very important for image optimization purpose. Is it clear? So anybody making a website with top position purpose, image also will be one kind of market. So board and pins. Remember, board is a keyword. Pin is called image adding for particular keyword option. So this is follow the method and use a proper Pinterest. And first of all, activation is compulsory important for your each and every website. That is the every account you are creating. Setting is compulsory. You have to fix it. Which one? Setting is compulsory. You have to fix it. So any doubts on Pinterest account, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.